Good morning. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I'm gonna give you reasons why teens and adults fail. Number one, you have fear to drive. Don't take driver's education if you're not ready to learn how to drive. Number two, you don't listen to your driver's ed teacher. You're trying to tell me how to do my job. Number three, you have bad driving habits. You think you know how to drive because you're whipping it around the neighborhood. You don't know anything. Next, you play during online class. You're typing into the chat, you're not paying attention, then you struggle on the test and you struggle on in-car performance. Next, you don't listen and you try to tell me everything about your whole life. I need you to focus on the driving process. Next, you're not ready to learn. You don't bring a notebook. Your phone's not charged for Kahoot or Quizlet. You're not paying attention, and I really need you to pay attention. Next, you are disrespectful to your parents, and you're disrespectful to other teens and adults in the class. I'm not gonna have a level of disrespect. I won't drive you. Next, you don't follow directions. I tell you to go left, you go right. I tell you to go straight, you stop. Next, you running yellow lights. That is dangerous. And when you run yellow lights, you're going to end up getting us killed. You think I owe you something. I don't owe you anything. I'm trying to teach you how to drive. You need to listen. You are a poor academic student. I always ask how grades are. And finally, you don't want to work hard and you don't want to have fun.